So when it comes to research process, I think it's very helpful to do a thorough literature review for the topic you are interested in. Read more articles about it. Try to listen to some podcasts that people are talking about in the methodology you are interested in the topic you are interested in, because that really helps you narrow down what topic you want to choose.
Another thing to think about would be when you're doing this topic, what methods are you using to study it? The day-to-day of what the research project requires might vary a lot. So kind of seeing if you're more of a hands-on person who wants to be in a wet lab pouring stuff every day, whereas I have horrible coordination. So for me, I was like as hands-off as possible. And so I would also kind of consider what you want to spend the next 2 years doing every day when picking your topic.
Another, I think, good advice or recommendation would be to find the people within your department that have some similar research interests. Get in touch with them and see what they are talking about. They might have thought about the same topic, or they might have something interesting to share with you or give you any direction, or maybe have some meeting with them to see what's their opinion or what's their perspective about your potential research topic.
I think I'm happy with my topic because I'm already done with the brainstorming. Like I've been brainstorming and planning for 3-4 years now. But I can say that I'm not working with the topic that I had initially planned. So the topic will change. As you progress through the program, you're going to be exposed to the literature more, you'll be exposed to research more, you'll get experts' opinions. So that will also help you to tweak and twist your topic.
For me, choosing a research topic was a lot of fun because I was one of the first few students in the lab, so I got to play around. It was like throwing a kid into a toy store, I could do whatever I wanted. The challenge was only limiting myself to be practical and to finish in 5 years. So that's something a lot of people tell me even now, committee members and my supervisor, that I'm planning too much when instead I should be more realistic and stick to the story.
Some of the best advice I think I've gotten from changing my perspective on pursuing a PhD is that the output of the PhD isn't the papers you publish. The output of the PhD is you. So it's not necessarily what your project was, but the skills you acquired along the way to get there. Personally, my goal isn't to end up in academia. I would like to end up in more an industry-based position. So one advice I got was finding jobs that I want to get eventually. And then I looked at what the required skills were for those jobs. And then I picked a project in which I'm doing those skills. So hopefully one day in an interview, if they ask if I know how to do a certain thing, I can be like, well, actually I created an entire database or something.
It took me 4 months to figure out what project I want to do for next 4 years or 5 years. I wasn't expecting that, but now I think about it, I think it was the best thing that could happen because now I'm the master of my project. Nobody knows about my project better than me.